Welcome back guys. So over a year after the debut of the Suunto 9 Peak, we are hearing about the Pro variant that's about to launch. According to reports, the €499 device will have a battery life of up to 21 days, 10 ATM water resistance and a new color option. Also, the company has retained the same thin and premium design. This includes the stainless steel housing and sapphire glass protection. As per leaks, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro will have a 1.69-inch display, although the usable panel is still measured at 1.2-inch, similar to Suunto 9 Peak. These images shared by Snoopy Tech show similar display design along with the same measurements. On the right side, it comes with 3 navigational buttons, and you do get at least one additional color, a new green metal case that is paired with a matching nylon strap. But the biggest improvement of all is the battery, from 14 days to 21 days or from 25 hours to 40 hours with GPS. What's more is that there appears to be 2 new metal contacts on the back of the watch, which could be for fast charging support. Other than that, you get 10 ATM water resistance and more than 80 sports mode of its non-pro siblings. No other changes have been revealed as far as specs, so we are expecting the same health and fitness sensors. But since it's been more than a year, we expect the sensors to be updated. The Suunto 9 Peak Pro still looks to be running the company's proprietary OS. If you are looking to take advantage of the Google Wear OS platform, well, it's not possible with the device. To refresh, only the Suunto 7 Peak was launched with the Google's wearable platform. Although a debut date has not been revealed, the Suunto 9 Peak Pro may be released soon enough based on the marketing photos given by Snoopy Tech. As for price, the leak suggests that the Suunto 9 Peak Pro will retail for €499, that is $499. It is marginally expensive than the Suunto 9 Peak's current MSRP of €469 in the Eurozone. Once the Pro version is formally revealed, it is logical to assume that Suunto will likewise reduce the Suunto 9 Peak's advertised price in the US. That covers everything we know at the moment. Hopefully we will know more in the coming days. If you are interested to know more, then definitely subscribe. We appreciate you watching. Peace out.